everyone. A very warm welcome to everyone present here. Our respected judges, our vice principal, Dr. Gurmeet Gupta ma'am, our junior in charge, Dr. Rashmi Devatia ma'am, teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, I am Zoe Tyagi on the behalf of Aryabhat House. Before you are scared, Arjuna with us on the theme Resilience, a story that travels from the battlefield of Kurukshetra to the stadiums of modern life. For centuries, humans have fought battles, not only with others, but within themselves, between doubt and fear, determination. Through the journey of Dhruv, a young boy, and the timeless wisdom of Lord Krishna, we explore what it truly means to rise again after falling. Our story begins in a stadium where Dhruv is practicing and his coach is instructing him.
Dhruv, focus! Eyes on the target!
Yes, sir!
No excuses, Dhruv!
Yes, sir! I'm trying my best!
This boy wants to be a champion. He can't even hit the target.
He is a loser. This boy is not a champion. Ha ha ha, loser!
Yes, he can't be the champion. He's a loser. Ha ha ha.
Focus on your aim, Dhruv. Don't listen to them. तुम अपने लक्ष्य पर ध्यान दो. इन सब की बातें मत सुनो.
Yes, Dhruv. Ignore the noises. Dhruv, champions are made of determination. But if you can't handle pressure, maybe this game is not for you.
As Dhruv walks back home, voices of teasers follow him. He looked shattered.
This boy is a loser. He can't do anything. He's a loser. He can't do anything. This boy wants to...
No! Stop it! I'm not a loser! Stop it! I'm not a loser!
He finally reaches home, broken, tired, and empty. With trembling hands, he knocks on the door.
Yes, I'm coming. Yes, coming. Dhruv, beta, what happened?
Nothing, Ma.
Okay, you sick. I will bring some water for you. What happened to this boy? Why he's so sad? Dhruv, beta, what happened? Why are your eyes filled with defeat?
Ma, I can't do this anymore. Everyone laughs at me. Even coach doesn't trust me, Ma. Maybe they all are right. I don't belong here.
My son,
No, Ma, you don't understand. When I hold the gun, my hand shakes. I hear their laughter, louder than my heartbeat. I see the headlines. Dhruv, the loser, who couldn't hit the mark. Do you want me to live with that shame?
shame? Shame is not in falling through. Shame is giving up before you have given your best. Okay, Dhruv, you sit. Have patience. I will bring some food for you.
Dhruv enters his room silently. The weight of defeat is still on his shoulders. He walks to the mirror, staring at his own reflection.
What happens to me? Who I am? Am I Dhruv or the same loser? I don't have power. I want to quit now. I want to quit. I don't want to do this more. I quit.
Dhruv,
I quit.
Dhruv,
I quit.
where are you, Dhruv? Dhruv, Dhruv, what are you doing here and what are you writing?
Nothing, Ma.
Okay, Dhruv, come. I will tell you something. Dhruv, beta, you remind me of Arjuna on the battlefield. He was also a warrior. He also wanted to run away. He also dropped his bow.
But Ma, I'm no Arjuna. I'm just a boy who keeps missing the targets.
No, Dhruv, inside every child lives an Arjuna. Arjuna was not born fearless. He too doubted, he too broke down, but Krishna wisdom lifted him. And today, you need that wisdom too. Dhruv, I will show you something of on the battlefield.
Now, Dhruva's mother takes him into a flashback. The battlefield of Kurukshetra, where Arjuna stands defeated and hopeless. Krishna appears and guiding him with wisdom. Dhruv and his mother watch silently.
हे कृष्णा, मैंने चौसर के खेल में अपना सब कुछ खो दिया, अपना धन, अपना राज्य, अपना अभिमान। मैं कैसा योद्धा हूँ?
पार्थ, महान योद्धा भी कभी कभी गिर जाते हैं, पर उन्हें महान बनाता है उनका फिर से उठ खड़ा होना। पराजय अंत नहीं होती, यह तो केवल तुम्हारे साहस की परीक्षा है।
मेरी शक्ति जैसे मुझसे दूर चली गई है, मेरे हाथ कांप रहे हैं, मेरा हृदय दुर्बल पड़ गया है, मैं कैसे युद्ध करूं?
क्लैव्यम मास्मगमः पार्थनेतद्वयोपद्यते क्षुद्रम हृदय दौर्बल्यम त्यक्त्वोत्तिष्ठ परन्तप। अर्थात पार्थ, इस दुर्बलता में मत गिरो, यह तुम्हारे योग्य नहीं। हृदय की एक क्षुद्र कमजोरी को त्यागो और उठो। हे परमतप पार्थ, सफलता या असफलता तुम्हारे वश में नहीं है, केवल कर्म करना ही तुम्हारे अधिकार में है।
तो फिर सच्ची विजय क्या है माधव?
उद्रेदात्मनात्मानं नात्मानं अवसाद्येत आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बंधुरात्मैव रिपुरात्मनः। मनुष्य को स्वयं के बल पर अपना उद्धार करना चाहिए और स्वयं को नीचे नहीं गिराना चाहिए, क्योंकि आत्मा ही स्वयं का मित्र और शत्रु है। तुम्हारा शस्त्र तुम्हारी तर्क शक्ति है, तुम्हारी बुद्धि तुम्हारा बाण है। यदि तुम इस पर महारत हासिल कर लेते हो तो कोई भी लक्ष्य तुमसे बच नहीं सकता।
देखा ध्रुव तुमने कैसे हारे हुए अर्जुन ने अपनी दुर्बलता पर विजय प्राप्त की। Just like that, every arrow you miss is training, every laugh you hear is noise, and every rise after fall is resilience.
Yes, Ma, you are right. I will fight like Arjuna.
That's like my son. Inside you lives an Arjuna. Awaken him.
Dhruv lies down to rest and he drifts into sleep. And in his dream, Lord Krishna appears him. Dhruv gets up surprised.
अर्जुना? क्या मैं अर्जुना हूँ? क्या मैं अर्जुना हूँ? Well, now I am ready to fight again. I will bounce back again. अब मैं और अच्छे तरीके से मेहनत करूँगा।
The next morning, Dhruv gets ready for his match and walks towards the stadium. On his way, he once again hears the mocking voices on one side, while on the other side stands Krishna calling him quietly.
No!
This is Dhruv's inner battle between doubt and faith. Teasers pull him with negativity, but Krishna's voice guides him towards strength and resilience. Now Dhruv is getting ready for his match.
Here, once again the champions of loser has come. Now see what he will do.
Once again, the loser has come.
The loser is arrived. No, he is a champion. He will definitely bounce back.
God knows what will happen today. All the best, my champion. You can do this.
Yes, sir, I can do it.
युद्ध करने का निश्चय करो।
Yes, I can do it. Yes.
so much.
Today I learned victory is not in medals, but in rising every time we fall.
Resilience is not never in failing. It is refusing to quit.
Support and encouragement gives strength to rebound.
जो गिरकर भी रुकता नहीं, वही जीवन का सच्चा साधक है. Discipline and resilience create champions. Thank you.
And this marks those journeys from fear to faith, from doubt to determination. True victory lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we do. That's resilience.